Alright guys, Blizzard's releasing some big news. They're gonna finally tune the tanks to make them closer to even. You got Death Knight updates, Vengeance Demon Hunter updates, you got Paladin updates, and you got Warrior updates? What about Monk and Druid? Oh wait, here's why. Top 200. Best tanks out there. Anybody see a theme? Can anybody tell me why Blizzard took till halfway through the season before they finally decided to do something about this? It's kind of crazy, isn't it? You would have thought that this might have been on somebody's radar before, you know, things like, I don't know, MDI, that kind of stuff. I'm just saying. Probably could have been done a little bit better, Blizzard.